Good morning, people. As this is it, I've done this cut because I did to check the other one because I started recording and I was playing music on my phone. And you could hear the music in the background. And that has never happened before. Because usually when I play music, now that my camera shuts my camera and but no, it never done that this morning now. My hay fever's annoying me as well, but apart from that, I'm alright. The day we're just sitting outside the front at the hotel. We have to be in this room for 10:30, and then we're going into another room. So, yeah, crazy. Oh, it's warm. It's going to be another hot day today. Another hot day. So, oh well, what can we say? You people had the wee fan on. Oh, it's amazing, but Jamie doesn't think so. Apart, Jamie says it goes for his asthma, so I don't know. But he's in the shower, so just him on putting it on to cool down a bit. So I'm not too hot. So, after breakfast, of milk and he can pack his stuff. That's what I packed already. I like to pack everything before I do stuff. So, yeah. Can't wait for breakfast. I'm starving. Starving. I'm gonna have just other cereal and toast and poached egg. It was nice. It was lovely. Lovely. Yes. Hey people, nearly time for breakfast. I'm wearing shorts. I know for some I'm jumping and got my can to take them with me. Because it's like all that fresh orange juice and that. So, yeah. The joys in the mornings. Well, I'll take a can at night as well. But I'm going to get one more can. It's going to last me. Yeah. But it'll be fine. Make it fit. Hey people. Oh, just back. I had breakfast. I had what I had yesterday. Tonight I'm having cheese pizza with a side of chips and beans. So I want to try the pizza, so may as well. The pizza looked lovely last night, so we're just, well, Jamie needs to get his bag face back. And the thing is, we don't need to drag our cases a bit ways because they just told us to leave it all in the room and they'll take it to the next room. So, oh, your jumper? That's a bit bobbly. So, I just need to chill and that's it. And then once we get kicked out of the room, we'll just sit across at the water. Obviously, then they'll be there now, but, you know, means we've got our spot. I mean, Nando's there, so just means we can see it. We don't need to stone. And it'll be obviously near my mum. So, yeah. My mum is doing that way. Scattered down there. So, yeah. Get to watch her show with her. It's a bit freaky saying that, but like, you know, should like it.
Check your drawers.
Not none of them. So I just hit my pad and my DS up. Yeah. I'm just chilling until Jamie's ready. I'm always the one that's prepared first. Never Jamie. Oh, I get the look. Hey people, that's us. About to check out of this room. Gonna miss it so bad. Here's the view. It's absolutely stunning. Well, actually, you can see the whole pier and everything, but you know, we'll go across the road. But we're waiting on some juice and that coming. So, till after tomorrow. Quite happy. Just sitting here waiting. Even though it's very early, but we're gonna have some view. Ooh, a big bee. So yeah.
I thought the guy was waiting there.
Few people were sitting on the side of the hotel. Just one outside. I don't know when I said to do it's up to him, but I would rather be inside than outside. Because I can get enjoyment. Just, I mean, because obviously the room we're getting is not a safe room. So, that got to but hey ho. Hey people, just still sitting down here. Obviously, because if we move, this will be taken. So, that's what I was saying to Jamie. Once we get the key, one of us will go up first, and one of us will get the key first, and go up first. Then, what do you call it? Go up and see it. James says he'll probably go up first because he wants to set his box up. Then I'll go up and he can start down. We're hoping to get out in the room at lunchtime. You know what I mean? But one year's I'm going to stay here at this bit because we're sitting, we can see some of the planes. But the two main ones are the very last two. So, there's red, no, typhoon and then there's typhoon and then the red arrows to finish it. I think if we can, we'll get across the road and see it. It's only these two we really want to see. So, yeah. That's the two main ones. The typhoon. Also, I don't know even know if I recorded it yesterday. I actually watched the vlog again. Because it is uploaded, but not, you know what I mean? Not in public. Send me this one. And then obviously tomorrow I'll put that all up. Hey people, this is a viewer room. There's a couple here. Down here with a heater. Which, oh, they never brought the, oh they did, they brought the AC down. Good. And then the rooms here. And we've got two single beds here. Nice little star seahorse. And a double bed. Yeah. Oh, so the door and that. So, here's me. But yeah, not bad. Jamie will come up in a minute after I get done, so he can set up his thing. Oh, it. That's quite cute. So yeah, see how it goes. It's been a fun night.
Have you ordered? Yes. That's yours. Oh, you got one. What you got? Tough cake. That's all right. It's no good. It's smooth. Yeah, fine. Yeah. You want to take that? Yeah. Might be heavy for it.
There was a phone over your house when you were a girl. Oh. Flipping heck.
Wow.
You can't see it's not come round.
No.
Flipping heck. I think it's a Lancaster.
Yeah, I think it is.
Big cumbersome thing. Yeah. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness.
And I've got some
Hold up. No, it's not the same one, that, is it? Or is it?
Bummer.
Wow. Oh wow.
Right there.
Oh Jesus.
Can you just see that?
See people walking back up to the room. We're going down about 4:20, so we can actually get organised for the typhoon and the red arrows this time, since we missed them yesterday. I want to try it. I'll try one. Thank you. This. Jamie, I'll get blocked for that. I want to try a biscuit. I haven't really tried them. I think it's coffee or something.
It's not coffee.
What is it?
You'd think it's coffee.
I think so. Don't know.
It's not. Water. Oh, how you feel about
So you'll get a bottle in your suitcase. Or did you already use that? Doesn't think. These people are just straightened my hair. But it won't stay like that anyway. I just need there. So that sounds weird. I don't know what Jamie's watching. But we're gonna send to the air show just outside because we don't want to miss the typhoon and the red arrows. Hey people, are just getting ready to go and see the typhoon and then the red arrows. Look forward to seeing this. Yes. I don't know how much the red arrows will see, but the typhoon will see and hear. As we seen yesterday with the typhoon. We'll see what happens with the red arrows. so normal for cold. Flipping out, it's getting upside down. I don't know what I'm capturing right now. I'll get the nose for sure.
It's on the Sonic but that is.
It's good for my phone's sake. Ain't about the red arrows yet. I doubt me capturing the red arrows, to be honest. We'll come in for that way. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm capturing on it. If I'm nowhere. Put the video up and see what I can get.
Bit over top of the wall.
See what I can capture.
Coming back again there you might see him. There you go.
Are they coming back?
She can you get back. Back the bag.
Ah, there they are.
There you go.
Be over the water.
Keep them so still.
Wow. Where's Connie? Oh, that's awesome. Here's the other ones. Yeah, here they come.
quick turning. Go over this side. Turn. Remember, shoot seconds together. There you go. You should get all out.
Aye, that would be back at the way. Oh wow, what? Just heading back to the room. Some of my videos might be a bit weird. I don't know if some of them will get posted where, because I don't know what I captured, because it was too sunny. So I'm going to see what I've captured. Hey people, I know it's still early, it's like nearly about 6 o'clock or something, or just about 6, but we're going for dinner in a minute. But I'm going to end the vlog here because it's like 20 odd minutes long, and I don't know if it'll upload or not. But as I was saying, I apologise for some of the clips. Like, I was trying to take photos, but I was taking videos. So I do apologise, people. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Bye.